Are you trying to change your Gmail password? Stop looking in your Gmail app. You actually can't do it there. Whether you're on an iPhone or Android or a computer, I'm going to show you the exact shortcut to update your password right now. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video because changing this password triggers a massive update to your account they need to know about before you hit save. Let's get right into it. First, open up any web browser on any device. It doesn't matter which one. Since you can't change your password directly inside mail.google.com, we're going to type in a specific web address. Go to your URL bar and type in myaccount.google.com. Now scroll down and select the Security and Sign In tab. Scroll down a bit until you see the section that says how you sign into Google. Right in the middle of that section, you'll see the password option. Go ahead and tap that. Before we enter the new password, if this is helping you out so far, a quick tap on that subscribe button down below really helps the channel grow. Alright, once you tap password, Google will ask you to verify it's really you. You can use Face ID, your fingerprint, or just type in your old password one last time. Now you can enter your shiny new password. Keep in mind, Google requires at least 8 characters. Do yourself a favor, don't use your pet's name and don't reuse a password from another website. Keep it secure. Now here's a crucial warning I mentioned at the beginning of the video. When you update this, you aren't just changing your Gmail password, you're changing the password for your entire Google ecosystem. That means your YouTube account, your Google Drive, your Google Photos, all of them will now require this brand new password. So make sure you write it down or save it in a password manager so you don't lock yourself out of your own files. I really hope this helped you out. If it did, smash that like button and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.